Sure, I'd be happy to explain both concepts and provide examples. Curated content is the process of gathering, organizing, and presenting content related to a particular subject or area of interest. This content is typically sourced from various places and is not originally created by the curator. Here are some examples of curated content. 1. Ink, a print magazine that has built an impressive online presence. 2. SanDisk, a brand of memory cards, flash drives, and other digital file storage products. 3. BuzzFeed, known for its listicles and quizzes. 4. Launch Ticker, provides a constant stream of updates on new startups. 5. Moz offers a variety of resources on topics related to SEO. Content harvesting, also known as data harvesting, is the process of extracting valuable data from a given source. This data can then be used for a variety of purposes, such as marketing or research. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Here's an example. PassHub, a web scraper tool that can be used to automatically harvest data from websites. Remember, while curated content and content harvesting can be powerful tools, it's important to always give credit to the original sources and respect copyright laws. Also, it's crucial to ensure that the harvested data is used ethically and responsibly. How can I start curating content for my blog? Starting to curate content for your blog involves several steps. 1. Select your sources. Choose reliable, recognizable, and relevant sources for your target audience. The credibility of your blog depends on the reliability of your sources. 2. Excerpt and annotate your content. After selecting the content, you need to excerpt and annotate it. This involves taking the key points from the content and adding your own insights. 3. Aggregate additional content. Look for additional content that can supplement the main content. 4. Cite your sources. Always give credit to the original source of the content. This not only respects the original creator's work, but also adds credibility to your post. 5. Use content curation SEO best practices. Optimize your curated content for search engines. This can involve using relevant keywords, adding meta tags, and creating SEO-friendly URLs. Remember, the goal of content curation is to provide value to your audience. By sharing high-quality content from various sources, you can become a trusted resource in your niche. Good luck with your content curation journey. What tools can I use for content curation? There are several tools available that can help you with content curation. Here are some of them. 1. Grammarly, an AI writing assistant. 2. Tint, a user-generated content platform. 3. Pocket, a content saver. 4. NetVibes, a customizable dashboard. 5. Feedly, a content aggregator. 6. Social Pilot, offers free content discovery. 7. Content Studio, a multi-channel composer. 8. Storyful provides social media intelligence. 9. Capost, a customer journey aligner. 10. Social Animal offers NLP-powered curation. 11. Curated, a publication creator. 12. Basumo, a content research tool. 13. Tailwind, a smart marketing assistant. 14. Scoop.it, a content engine. 15. Metagy, an AI marketing solution. 16. Huzzaz, a video curator. These tools can help you gather, organize, and share relevant content for your blog. Remember to always give credit to the original source and respect copyright laws. Happy curating! How do I choose the right tool for my needs? Choosing the right content curation tool depends on your specific needs and goals. Here are some factors to consider. First, can the tool find what you're looking for? The tool should be able to find and curate the type of content you want to share. Second, does it align with your distribution strategy? The tool should support your preferred channels for content distribution. Third, is the company proactive with its support and roadmap? The tool provider should offer good customer support and have a clear roadmap for future updates. Fourth, is the tool conducive to collaboration? If you work with a team, the tool should support collaborative workflows. Fifth, how much do you want to spend? Consider your budget. Some tools offer free versions while others require a subscription. After considering these factors, you can explore different tools and see which one best fits your needs. Most tools offer a trial period, which can be a great way to test out their features before making a decision. Good luck with your search. What are some popular free tools for content curation? There are several popular free tools that you can use for content curation. First, Social Pilot, a social media content curation tool that conducts campaigns on social media. Second, Flipboard, a content aggregator that allows you to create your own digital magazine. Third, Pinterest, a visual content discovery and social media platform. Fourth, Scoop.it- helps you discover the most relevant content based on topics you specify and share them directly on your social networks. Fifth, Feedly, a content aggregator that allows you to organize and read content from your favorite websites in one place. Sixth, Pocket, a content saver that allows you to save articles, videos, and stories from any publication, page, or app. Remember, while these tools offer free versions, they may also have premium versions that provide additional features. It's important to choose a tool that best fits your content curation needs. Happy curating! How do I get started with using these tools? Getting started with content curation tools involves a few steps. First, decide on your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with content curation. This could be increasing your brand visibility, engaging your audience, or establishing yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Next, select the optimal format. The three most popular content curation channels are websites, email newsletters, and social media platforms. Choose the one that best suits your audience and your content. Then, create an editorial calendar. Plan when and where you will share curated content. This helps ensure a consistent flow of content and allows you to plan around key dates and events. Choose appropriate and reputed sources. Select sources that match your niche, audience, and tone. The credibility of your curated content depends on the reliability of your sources. Utilize tools and platforms to discover, filter, and organize content. Use content curation tools to help you find, sort, and arrange content. This can save you time and ensure you're sharing the most relevant content. Provide your voice or opinion. Add your own insights and perspectives to the curated content. This can help differentiate your content and engage your audience. Finally, measure and analyze your curated content's performance. Use analytics to understand how your audience is engaging with your curated content. This can help you refine your content curation strategy over time. Remember, each content curation tool has its own specific features and ways of operating. It's a good idea to spend some time exploring each tool and understanding how it works before you start using it. Good luck with your content curation journey. What are some common mistakes to avoid when curating content? When curating content, there are several common mistakes that you should avoid. First, relying too heavily on others' material. While it's important to share others' work, you should also create and share your own original content. Second, posting content that looks out of place. The content you share should fit in with the rest of your content and align with your brand's voice and style. Third, not properly citing sources. Always give credit to the original source of the content. Fourth, sharing unfocused or random content. The content you share should be relevant to your audience and fit within your established topics or themes. Fifth, using automated tools without supervision. While automation can be helpful, it's important to regularly review and supervise the content being shared. Sixth, outsourcing without oversight. If you choose to outsource content curation, make sure you're still involved in the process and maintaining quality control. Seventh, not measuring your efforts. It's important to track the performance of your curated content to understand what's working and what's not. By avoiding these mistakes, you can ensure that your content curation efforts are effective and provide value to your audience. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. What are some best practices for citing sources in my curation? Citing sources correctly is crucial in content curation. Here are some best practices. First, link to the original source. Always provide a link back to the original content. This not only gives credit to the original author, but also allows your readers to explore the original content further. Second, mention the author's name. If possible, mention the name of the original author. This gives proper credit and acknowledges the author's work. Third, include the publication date. If available, include the date when the original content was published. Fourth, add your own commentary. When you share curated content, add your own insights or summary. This shows that you've taken the time to understand the content and provides additional value to your readers. Fifth, respect copyright laws. Always respect copyright laws. If you're unsure whether you can share certain content, it's best to ask for permission from the original author. Remember, the goal of content curation is to provide value to your audience by gathering and sharing relevant content. Proper citation not only respects the original creators, but also enhances the credibility of your curated content. How can I strike a balance between curated and original content? Striking a balance between curated and original content is crucial for a successful content strategy. Here are some commonly suggested ratios. First, the 60/30/10 rule: 60% curated content, 30% original content, and 10% promotional content. Second, the 60/40 rule: 60% curated and 40% original content. Third, the 65/25/10 rule: 65% original content, 25% curated material, and 10% syndicated content. These are just guidelines, and the exact ratio can vary depending on your specific needs and audience. Here are some tips to help you strike the right balance. Understand your audience. Know what type of content your audience values and adjust your ratio accordingly. Quality over quantity. Focus on sharing high-quality content, whether it's curated or original. Add your own insights. When curating content, add your own commentary or perspective to provide additional value. Measure and adjust. Use analytics to measure the performance of your content and adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, the goal is to provide value to your audience. Whether the content is curated or original, it should be relevant, interesting, and useful.